Setting up Lync as a client is easy. That's just running an MSI and logging in. But setting up the Lync server and the Lync service on-premise is a non-trivial bit of work. You've got Active Directory enhancements you've got to make. You need DNS records added. You'll need certificates. You'll need various permissions. You've got to have a whole bunch of software running in a bunch of different places. Now, for a very simple few hundred user environment, you could put all that work on a single standard edition server. But I still have to have the AD stuff in place. I still have to have SQL somewhere, potentially. With standard edition, you can. SQL's built in. If I go enterprise, I can get the high availability, but there I need separate SQL. So depending upon which version you're going to be establishing, there can be quite a lot of groundwork to be done. The setup is pretty easy once you know what it's doing, but it is a little bit different. The new GUI for administering now is actually a Silverlight web app, which again is something new we haven't seen from Microsoft. Works very well. As far as any of these new GUIs go, it's great. And of course I have the 600 some odd PowerShell commandlets sitting underneath all that to really make Lync sit up and sing. For some bits of Lync you would need the PowerShell. And so again, I think pretty much it's true. Any IT pro in today's market really does need to know PowerShell. So things like call and mission control, where I'm managing my bandwidth actively, making sure I don't have too many simultaneous phone calls going through the system, that's largely a PowerShell setup. And you've got to know PowerShell well enough to be able to implement that. So again, some training is my biggest tip.